What are they doing?
And the foot. Thank goodness we got. It's okay. Come here. Oh, the foot snuck into the sink with us. Okay. Dad, what did they do to me? I'm clean. No. Hi. Meow.
It's like a car wash.
I'm sorry, baby girl.
Well, as soon as you don't like it, you just do it yourself. Ha!
Reach for the sky.
Go to your happy place. How about? Yay! Do you have a happy place? Take that. Let's go change your night and get you some cute clothes. Yay, clothes! No more PJs for this baby girl. Signing out.